it is.
It's Big Money
time
Michael
for
time, baby. Let's go.
Big Money Michael time for our good friend Steven, who's
Come
got
on.
some coins.
Come on.
Let's find out what's in them.
It's Big Money Michael time. No more goofing off. It's Big Money Michael
No
time.
matter what happens, we're getting money.
Let's get it. Yeah, we're getting money, but we're here for the big money.
Oh, yeah. This is box number 84. Oh, Steven, did you want the boxes? Let us know. Or if not, we'll just chuck
We'll
them.
keep the boxes.
All right. 1964 10C with a PF 66 for your grading. That is a beautiful, beautiful,
Shiny.
super shiny.
Jesus.
It's almost blinding when it gets hit by the light. Dime. And this looks like it's made of silver because it's from 64. That is pretty sweet. That is like perfect. It is super shiny. I don't see anything wrong with it.
It's close to being perfect.
Yeah, it's very close. One dime. Box number 5.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop
Case
it.
hit.
Oh, my.
Bam!
It never fails. Of course. It never fails.
Now, do
It
we?
never fails.
Should we wait till the end?
Oh, yeah, we sweat that.
We're gonna sweat
We're going to
this.
sweat that. Yeah,
sweat
we're
this
sweating
box.
it. Let's.
Gold ticket?
Of course
Gold
we did.
ticket.
You know,
Yeah,
it's the bling.
it's the
It
bling.
is the bling.
Yeah,
That
we're
is-
gonna
And we
sweat
have
it
a
now.
little spacer for the money now.
Oh, that is so awesome. All right.
Oh,
All right.
let's go.
Wow.
Big money Mike.
Unreal.
Stop.
Unreal.
Can't stop, won't stop. The
Unbelievable.
mint keeps churning.
Oh,
Unbelievable. I don't even know. Can I? What can we even get?
I don't know. I don't know anymore.
America edition.
In the All American Edition, I'm not sure. There's. Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, is this Series 8? Oh, is this the one that we did the group break of?
Oh, I think so. Yeah. Then we got
No,
the.
it's not because this is a different.
No, this is
penny.
different.
Second strike off center. Yeah, this one's different.
65. SMS 25.
First strikes. Okay.
This is cool. It's a 25-cent quarter from
Oh my
1965.
God. Wait, hold on. Wait, hang on. Wait, hold on.
1838.
Oh my God.
Ooh, that's possible.
Bronze. Got a couple of
This is a nice quarter. They don't make them this nice anymore.
second straight off center. 65%.
This is beautiful.
Off center. 53. Struck 80% off center. 1865. Jesus. Okay.
Box 59. See if we can go for 2.
Oh, we have a $2.50 coin too?
Oh, that's interesting. Yep, big money. 1922. This coin is 102 years old. It's a $1 coin. The Liberty head. Lady Liberty. This one's seen better days, but it's from 1922. It's got a little tarnishing around the side. This coin is made of silver, so that's why it's got this type of tarnishing. So, like, if it wasn't in this encasement, you could clean it, but usually you don't want to. There's people like oh, it's got the original patina to it. So that's really cool. Yeah, you got the American Eagle on the back. And it says peace, if you could see it. Here, yeah, the camera's not focusing. But yeah, it says peace on it. Right underneath the, it's a big silver dollar. Got some nice weight to it. So that is awesome.
All right, we might get in trouble for this one, but it's fine. Just don't worry about it. Nope. All right.
All right. Let's see what we got here as your case hit, your golden ticket. What? 1865.
2 cents.
2 cents.
2 cent. Let's go.
2 cent coin
The double penny.
from.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! Look at it says 2 cents right on it.
1865.
1860. This is from the.
I wonder if Senior remembers this coin.
He might. This is from the Civil War era, which went to 1865. So this,
Wow.
wow, this is super clean
That is
too.
sick.
It's rated a 61.
Yeah, that's
but
clean.
this is super clean. This is wild. This is insane. Which one's the clip? Bottom. Or
save.
this.
Yep.
This is
That's
insane.
incredible. That's incredible.
This is insane. Wow. Yeah, United States of America, 2 cents.
As I said before.
This is amazing. Like, this is an immaculate condition. Because, like, where was this that's in this great a condition for being this old? This is amazing. This
That's
is a
sick.
great hit, Steven.
That's sick.
I am so happy to get this for you. This is a great addition to your collection.
Congrats, man.
Congrats.
This was super fun. I'm so glad you were
This
able
is just
to wear
super
it today.
fun.
I'm so glad you're able
This
to wear
is
it today.
amazing. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.